Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I've made a mirrored riser. This is going to be perfect for any centerpiece that I want to use, and it took almost no time at all to make. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I have these mirrors on hand all the time. I've gotten them years ago. They were a 6-pack of mirror tiles, and I believe I got them at Walmart. I honestly do not remember. But they've got the beveled edges, and I like using them on my table. I really love using them as a centerpiece. So I'm going to doctor this up a little bit and give it a little more presence. And what I'm going to do is the poster board that I just got in my latest Dollar Tree haul. And I'm going to cut a couple pieces out the same size as this. And I'm going to, I'm just going to use an X-Acto knife to do this. Okay, I actually needed 3 of these to get the thickness that I wanted. I know Walmart's are a little thicker. I probably only would have needed 2 with Walmart's, but these were Dollar Tree. And since I did need 3, I had to use 2 poster boards. And what I'm going to do is glue these together. Just regular hot glue. When I put these together, I'm going to try very hard to get the edges lined up with each other. Oops. Okay, I'm going to repeat that with this last one. Okay, I've got the 3 layers glued together. And the reason that I needed 3 layers was because you may remember this ribbon that I got from Walmart in my haul. Okay, now I'm going to glue the mirror to this. And once that's all glued, I'm going to put the ribbon around the edges. Still with only hot glue. Okay, I've got the mirror on, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to this ribbon and then put it around the foam. And I think it's going to give it a much more finished look. And this is going to take a while because I want it to dry before I move on. So I'll be back after I'm done edging that. Okay, I got the ribbon all the way around, and it's doing a whole lot of hiding. And I could leave it like this, but you guys know me and how much I like my bling and I love my mirrors. So I got out my mirror tiles that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to decide if I want to put 2 all the way around or just 1. So I'm going to keep looking at this and figure out what I want to do. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you would have done what I chose. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, before I put the mirrored towels on, I want to make sure this is really clean so that the adhesive on the back of the mirror towel sticks. So I'm just going to give it a good cleaning, and then we'll get started putting those little towels on. And I've worked with those mirror towels before, and I know that if the surface is dirty, they will peel off. So get all of those fingerprints off. And I'm just using my favorite glass cleaner, Sprayway. I love the smell of this stuff, and I love the way it works. Okay, I have decided to use 2. So I've already cut all of them apart, and I've cut about 3.5 packs. I may need more. Okay, I'm just peeling the paper off the back, and I'm going to line this up before I press down, because this does have a good adhesive. And I sure don't want to have to try and take this back up. And there it is, all done. And like I said, it's up a little. It's not too bad, but it's a nice riser. And looks really good with crystal. And there's a crystal bowl that I've had for quite a while. Or these are 2 crystal candlesticks that I got when my mother-in-law passed. And that makes a nice centerpiece. Nice and sparkly. And it definitely reflects a whole lot of light. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.